Welcome to 2021's Tales and Tales Summer Reading Adventure. I'm Catherine, and I'm so excited to share author and illustrator Ed Emberley's Way to Draw Animals with you today. This is part 3 of our 8-part video series on how to draw animals.
Today we'll learn how to draw an octopus, a frog, and a whale. When I was a child, I learned how to draw animals using this exact book. I've had it for a long time. The High Plains Library District has newer copies of this book and some of Ed Emberley's other drawing books for you to check out and bring home. Remember from our first video, to draw all of the animals, you'll just need to know how to make these simple shapes, numbers, letters, and things.
All right, grab your paper and some crayons or colored pencils and let's get started.
Let's draw an octopus. Choose whichever colors you'd like. I'll be using a purple crayon and a black crayon. You'll draw your octopus using the letters D, S, U, and V, some circles, and some small dots. First, you'll make your letter D. Then, rotate your page and add 2 circles inside the letter D right about here. Next, color in the letter D, leaving the circles blank. Rotate your paper again, and you're going to make the octopus's legs by drawing the letter S 8 times, rotating your paper as you go. Sometimes you need to count the legs to make sure that you're drawing 8 of them. Now it's starting to look like an octopus. Use your black crayon and add 2 black dots for the eyes inside the white circles. Add the letter U to give the octopus a smile. If you want to make a mean-looking octopus, add the letter V just above and in between its eyes. Great job! Are you ready to draw a frog? Choose whichever colors you'd like. I'll be using green, orange, and black. You'll draw your frog using the letter D, some circles, triangles, lines, large and small dots. Make your letter D. Then rotate your page and add 2 circles on the belly of the D. These will be the frog's eyes. Rotate your page and you'll draw the letter D 2 more times, only smaller this time, overlapping the top and the bottom of the larger letter D. Rotate your page again and you'll add the frog's feet by making 4 triangles, 1 under each small letter D and 2 under the middle of the frog. Color in the triangles and the small letter Ds. Add an upside down U shape just inside the belly of the large D, just like this. And color that in. I'll also give the frog's eyes a thicker border, like that. Add 2 green lines for the frog's legs. Then grab your black crayon and make 2 small dots for the frog's nostrils and 2 larger black dots for the frog's eyes. Using my orange crayon, We'll rotate the page upside down and draw a U for the frog's mouth. As you can see, we have a grumpy frog here. Let's make the frog into a croaking frog by turning our upside down letter U into a D. We'll rotate our page and add a line to the U so it becomes a D and color it in. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's make a blue whale. I'm using my light blue, dark blue, and black crayons for my whale. You'll draw your whale using a rectangle, some triangles, the letter D, and some black and dark blue small dots. Start by making a rectangle on your page. And color it in. Rotate your page like this and add a long, skinny triangle. Color it in. Add a small black dot in the lower left corner of your rectangle for the whale's eye. Use your blue crayon to draw a letter D right here. Color it in. Rotate your page like this and draw a large triangle going from the outer edge of the rectangle to the outer edge of the skinny triangle. Color it in. Now let's give the whale a tail. Add 2 smaller triangles to either side of the large triangle. And color them in. Let's give the whale some teeth by adding small black dots along the edge of that skinny triangle, just underneath the long edge of the rectangle. Lastly, let's show some water coming out of the whale's blowhole. I'm using my dark blue crayon to add a vertical line of dots and a few dots in an arc to either side. It looks great! I hope you had fun today learning how to draw an octopus, a frog, and a whale. Thank you, Ed Emberly, for teaching us how to draw animals. We'll see you next time for part 4 of this video series. Bye!